In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Hostinger's platform to easily add a digital product to your online store. Whether you're new to using Hostinger or just looking to get your digital store up and running, this step-by-step guide will have you ready in no time. Let's get started by visiting the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger URL. Once the homepage has loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a dashboard that contains all the tools and options you need to manage your website effectively. This is your main control panel where you'll be performing most of the actions as you manage or edit your website. Next, head over to the Websites section, where you'll see an option to edit your website. Go ahead and click on that. This is a crucial step as it directs you to the website editor, a space where you'll be making all the customizations and updates. The website editor is intuitive and user-friendly, geared towards making the process as smooth as possible, even if you're a beginner. Once in the website editor, your focus should be on the menu options on the left-hand side. Locate and click on the Store button. This will transition you to the e-commerce section of Hostinger. Here is where you handle everything related to your store, from inventory management to transaction processing. Now that you're in the right place, look for the Add a Product option and select it. You're now on your way to adding your first product. Hostinger's interface will guide you with prompts that make it clear what information is required. If ever you find yourself unsure, feel comfortable to take a moment to explore each section, as Hostinger often has helpful tips or explanations beside each form field. Since today we're focusing on digital products, the next thing to do is click on Digital Product. This option is perfect for those selling downloadable items like ebooks, templates, or audio files. As you proceed, you'll be asked for specific details about the digital product you're adding, such as its name, description, and price. Fill these details out carefully as they're what your customers will see. Keep in mind, while entering your product information, clarity and detail are important. A well-written description and appropriate pricing can enhance customer trust and satisfaction. Finally, double-check everything to ensure accuracy before saving. When you hit save, your digital product is now officially part of your online store. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Hostinger's dashboard to add a digital product. With these steps, you're now well prepared to manage your e-commerce site with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on efficiently managing your online store.